Hi, I'm Brian Kreutz from the Playbooks team here at RevPartners, and we're going to continue talking about go-to-market goals. In this video, we're going to talk about the inputs for the go-to-market metrics and then how to calculate based on the goals. All of the math checks out so that different levers that you pull up funnel or down funnel will drastically affect your goals. And then once you set your goals, you can track the actual to goal to then track goal attainment. As a reminder, we're basing our go-to-market goals based on our customer journey on the recurring revenue performance model. So the key parts of our customer journey, from sessions and leads at the top of the funnel, all the way through new customers in the bottom of the funnel, are how we're going to set the go-to-market metrics that fill out our go-to-market goals. The first step in go-to-market goal setting is going to be looking at the inputs and figuring out the outputs. You can use a template like this to simplify the math here so that you can see exactly what changes you make top of funnel that'll affect changes bottom of funnel and vice versa. So this template isn't quite filled out. Let's go ahead and fill out and go to a filled out template. So here we have all of our go-to-market metrics, and these will become our go-to-market goals. So we have the volume metrics here: leads, MQLs, SQLs, qualified deals, and closed won. And then we have conversion rates in between. And the conversion rate is just taking the denominator of the furthest down metric and dividing it by the top one. That becomes your conversion rate. So here, our very first go-to-market goal is going to be leads. And in this quarter, we're going to forecast 1,219 leads. We're going to forecast a 35% conversion rate. This will be the goal for the conversion rate between leads and MQLs, which means that we need to generate 427 MQLs. From here, we have another conversion rate of 25% to deals created or sales qualified leads. That gives us a goal of 107 deals for that quarter. From here, we need to factor that into qualified deals. So a conversion rate of 75% leads us with 80 qualified deals for the sales team to work. Then we have another conversion rate to see how many of those we can sell as closed won customers. That's 20 customers. Finally, we look at our average deal size across all of the deals, and that gets us into our total contract value revenue. And so for go-to-market goals and all the calculations, you can go top to bottom or bottom to top. You could also start with $1 million in an average deal size, and that would give you the total amount of customers you needed to bring in that calendar quarter. And then you could funnel up all the conversion rates from bottom to top, and that would get you the lead goal at the end. So there's a couple ways to do that, but what you need to know is defining your go-to-market metrics, understanding the conversion rate between those, and then going from top down or bottoms up to finally get all of the inputs needed to generate your goals.